chasing thoughts I can't escape. The moonlight falls across my face, whispers of time I can't replace. I've walked this road in rain and fire, every step I